gotta teach you to keep your hands to yourself. Okay. I'll do what you want. I'll do what you want. Come on, man. Good. We're gonna make a little arrangement.
What's going on YouTube? 088 here, I'm here with my girlfriend Carla, and we are about to react to Season 3, Episode 2 of Cobra Kai, Nature versus Nurture. Let's see what's going on with Daniel and Johnny trying to find Robbie, see what happens. Ikazo. Well, this is Cobra Kai, right?
What is this?
1965. Is that supposed to be Crease?
I think so, yeah. That's
Oh,
the thought that
God.
just went through my head.
Yeah, that's definitely
I
Crease.
think
Look at
it's
the bum
supposed to,
chin.
yeah.
What are you looking at?
Yeah, definitely Crease.
Explains why he's such a freak.
Stop that!
Can it, Betsy?
Oh my god, Betsy, don't let him talk to you like that.
The Army gives a man a true purpose in life. What do you say? This could be you.
Do you think they actually did
Very
that?
inspiring.
Just saw like men
We'll sure think about it.
sitting down and...
100%. Especially in this. It's Vietnam, isn't it? Times.
That's quite good character casting, isn't it?
Yeah,
They did quite well.
I could buy that Crease.
I could as
Got the
well.
bum chin and everything. Who's this one though?
Oh, shit!
What? Why they mess you up like that?
Oh shit, we were so wrong.
What? Why they mess you up like that?
Oh, okay. That was really clever how they did that.
But I like the casting, but that guy looks more like Crease though. But he looks kind of like Crease, I guess.
I don't know, I think the
The other guy looks more like Crease though.
Yeah,
but
they
that
should have just
was
switched them around, shouldn't they?
Yeah.
But that was a good,
a good little twist. But,
because it's not what you expect.
Mhm.
Diaz was one of our own. We will strike back, and we will strike hard. Is that clear? Yes,
I mean, it was a nice little twist, but it's like that guy looks so much like Crease.
Oh my god, he's awake. Your pale friend.
Hopefully our mutual friend can point us in the right direction.
Who's their mutual friend?
I have no idea.
Who is this?
This is what rehab's like?
Focus, will you? You're here on business, not pleasure.
You're doing a very brave thing.
What?
She thinks he's...
Oh, I'm not checking in. No quitter.
I thought Daniel was trying to make him check in or something for a second.
Maybe he is.
Like slyly.
I'm sure he will.
As if Johnny will accept that.
What a nice house or facility or whatever it is.
I bet people become alcoholics on purpose just to come here.
Daniel said that he wants
Oh, that's
to
his...
talk about
I think his mum, isn't it?
Oh, I didn't even recognise her.
Yeah, man.
Forgot about her completely.
Yeah, sorry. It literally just clicked who she was. Why does she look so different?
Not all that like hooker outfit and
Like, you loved every minute of it.
I was faking.
Bullshit, I know when you're faking.
Guys.
All I know is that whenever Robbie would get in trouble, those dimwits weren't far behind.
What dimwits?
One looks like...
That's mad. I used to tell Kevin all the time, why does he look like Chris Brown? It's so annoying. It's so annoying how he looks like Chris Brown.
You dumbass. How are we supposed to find those dirtbags?
Kevin's gonna laugh at that, bro.
I want to introduce you to a friend of mine.
I'm not gonna make him kill it, is he?
Oh, gosh. Oh, no. What are they going to do to her?
Uh-oh.
Oh, no. He's going to feed it to
But you
the
can
snake,
feed it.
right?
Oh, snap.
Oh.
People do this on YouTube for fun, you know that? Well, not for fun, but
Oh,
like...
no. I couldn't
What's
do
he
that.
like to eat?
He likes to eat Clarence.
Is he trying to teach him about no mercy? It's mad because people just do this for no reason on YouTube.
Well, you do feed snakes like mice and stuff.
Live mice sometimes as well.
Yeah.
But literally they're bred to be eaten by snakes.
Oh, even Clarence looks terrified. Look at his little face.
I can't.
Oh.
Who else objects?
Get
We're
out.
off the team. Get out!
I knew he was going to do that. Oh, but I like him. I don't want to wear this t-shirt anymore.
Told you should have stuck with me.
Yeah,
On you
I
go.
know. No, Johnny. When Johnny comes back, he'll sort it out.
If Johnny comes back. Oh no.
With Diaz out, we're going to need a new champion.
me. Or her.
Did that to Mom?
We're seeing, is she adopted or?
See, now if you had a man instead of a boy, then you wouldn't have to worry about rent.
What?
What would your probation officer say?
If this was a darker show, I bet they would have made it take yeah to that or something.
Yes.
What a dickhead.
It made you laugh, didn't it? This is the way he did this.
Rehab nicer in jail.
Quit jazz, Kevin James.
Kevin James.
Hey, what? We're looking for
Oh my god, he
Rob.
does look like Chris Brown, doesn't
Yeah.
Sorry, Mr. LaRusso.
What the hell? You listen to him and not to me?
He knew what a kid does.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, he beat them up, didn't he? I
he?
forgot.
Yeah.
What the hell?
You don't see that?
Okay.
Might want to get your friend here at Tampa.
Bleeding, man.
She crying?
Oh, I'm crying.
Johnny's still badass. He was like, I'm letting you show me up. Oh
Oh,
no.
I can't feel that.
So is it realistic that he could walk from this position eventually?
If he hasn't damaged his spinal cord, yeah. If he's damaged his spinal cord, it's a different story.
Or like severely damaged? He might have damaged it a little bit. Like
Well,
a
she's
bruise.
crying, so I think he's probably
But
damaged his.
the doctors have said you'll never be able to walk again, and they've walked again in real life. It's happened.
Rarely, though.
Yeah, I guess it's TV, so it's got to be. He's going to be one of the rare ones. It's TV.
Yeah,
isn't it?
yeah. I know what you mean. They say that before they know the results of the injury, I guess.
Mm.
I love that little dynamic.
Mm-hmm. Good
You know,
cop,
we're gonna
bad
have to talk
cop.
about what
Your car's ringing.
we're Hey, honey.
Hi, Johnny.
Oh, hey, Amanda.
All right. You know what? Give me that. Oh, come on.
Oh, I love Johnny so much.
Got to see on Robbie. We were just talking to a couple of guys who knew Rob.
Yeah, they wouldn't talk, so we had to smack them around a little bit.
You did what?
I didn't smack anyone around, David. It was more like a good cop, bad cop situation. Yeah, but we got the information we needed.
The guy coughed up like a chicken bone. He cried.
I'm gonna go on the record and say I'm against this entire operation.
They have such a really
They
good
actually got
dynamic.
really good chemistry, innit?
Yeah, they do.
I thought I was wondering when I was properly enjoying when they were like in the restaurant of the other
Oh
halves.
my god, yeah, that was such a good scene.
Yeah, and then the kids ruined it. Their friendship. They're gonna ruin this one somehow now.
Oh, what does he want?
Where'd you find me?
He needs a champion.
Miguel, it's my fault what happened.
It's everyone's fault. Miguel.
Yeah, do you know, I was literally thinking that. They've all got this, like,
Guilt.
taken on this guilt. Yeah, every single person has said that so far.
Except for Crease.
I have to get ready for work. I need every hour I can get. Or else.
Or else what?
I'm gonna threaten him.
I think so. I think that's the plan, isn't it?
Fake Crease. Well, it kind of looks
They
like
really
him.
got us with that, didn't they?
You know that?
It looks kind of looks
Oh,
like
okay, yeah. I see it now. I love how they changed, like, the filter of the scene to make it look older.
Yeah, it helps a lot as well.
Doesn't it? Isn't that really clever? It almost looks like vintage. It's weird.
Scared?
Good colour correction.
Yeah.
Let's start a fight you can't finish.
Oh shit, that was sick.
I've been fighting my whole life. That sure as hell is new to you.
Need a lift?
We're gonna find out about Crease's kids now or something, aren't we?
Yeah, we're gonna find out a bit more about him.
He's gonna have a kid somewhere or something.
Can't believe you eat that crap.
Oh, what? You took it for gas station food?
Yeah, I am.
I like you just said it.
Oh look,
Wait a second. Isn't that a...
Dodge Caravan.
probably should shut the door on the Audi, right?
No cops, all right? We can work this out.
There we go.
We're not.
Oh, self-defense. We argue like Cobra Kai side by side.
Sweep the leg.
She's too old for that.
This guy's massive compared to him. Sweet leg.
That was smooth.
Where is he? What kid?
Ouch.
What are you doing? I stole off from this morning.
I'll
I
knock
don't know
him
where he
out.
went after that. Right?
Oh god. They're turning on each
Why are
other
they
now.
fighting each other now?
Anger, I guess.
They've got
Frustration?
too much rivalry, these two, man.
Can't believe you actually taught kids.
Oh yeah, you're some great teacher. What could happen to Robbie?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Well, maybe he just had a little too much of you in him.
Uh-oh.
Oh shit, that one probably cut deep.
Mm-hmm.
Look at Daniel-san's hair.
Oh, I just took the car.
Better return that car to the dealership. Okay, slow down. Alright, I'm on my way.
Oh, what's this now?
What's happened now?
Or she can do something else to get in my good graces, all right?
Oh, shit.
Somebody's got to teach you to keep your hands to yourself. Okay. I'll do what you want. I'll do what you want. Come on, man. Good. We're going to make a little arrangement.
That was nice. Nice cut. I felt that. That was so clever. This was little snaky cheese editing this and writing this.
Doctor told my mom I might not walk again.
Might.
Did you taught me? Show mercy.
Oh.
Is that...
Mm-hmm. That's so true.
Oh.
He's trying to figure it out himself. I love that. I love that he doesn't know.
Did everything that you told me. Go. Look at me! Get out of here. Go, you can't. Get out of here!
Oh,
This is
that's really
interesting,
sad,
though.
isn't
It's
it?
sad, but such good writing. They could have easily made Miyagi look like the saviour of everything.
Oh my god, look, he's with his mum.
Oh, yeah.
Now he's gonna have his chat with his little
Mm-hmm.
student.
What did you do? I told him that you're gonna turn yourself in. Trust me, the sentence will be much lighter this way.
No, I can't.
I will visit you every day, I promise.
Don't bother.
Snitch. He's like, snitch me out. See, he's like Cobra Kai. There ain't no snitches in Cobra Kai. Oh man, where's this going?
What did he think? He was just gonna be on the run
We are
forever?
one
Like at some
unit
point you have to face the music,
with
right?
one united purpose. Welcome back.
So she's gonna be the head of Cobra Kai now.
Fall in. We've got work.
Isn't that ironic? The guy was like, "You need to get yourself an older man,"
Mm-hmm.
and then
I think
she
that
ended
was
up getting
double-
herself.
Double meaning there, innit? I guess they're building her up to be like the enemy of Sam, maybe.
Maybe.
I don't think I can handle this.
It's just basic training.
We're not gonna find out she's his daughter or something, are we?
And no matter what, I'll wait.
That'll be kind of cheesy.
Maybe.
Back to me.
But they should have shown a little bit more of that in the previous seasons.
Isn't a Hawk gonna be pissed off that she's gonna be like
The
the lead?
leads, maybe. I doubt it. Though. I don't know. I feel like they're gonna be a
Your
bit
whole
of a
life
team.
you've been told to be good. There is no good. There is no bad. Only weak or strong. And now that we've shed our weakness, it's time to show our strength. If you do that, I promise you will be unstoppable.
It's got such good writing, isn't it? Why is this cheesy ass show so interesting?
Again, that episode felt like we were watching it for like 5 minutes.
That means you're enjoying it.
Yeah.
You know? That means you're enjoying it if it feels like that.
I feel like we started watching that 5 minutes ago.
That was better than episode 1.
Yeah, way better.
Cool little fight with Daniel and Johnny.
Yeah.
They're beefing again. It didn't take long. There's such tension with them two.
I think I like it more when they're getting along.
So
the
do
little
I.
banter and the dynamic.
I think I'm done with them hating each other now. But then at the same time, I don't want. It looks like they're humanising Kreese with the backstory they keep showing. I'm done with the whole hero versus villain thing. Like that's why I love season 1 and 2 so much.
Yeah.
Because it was like
Good and bad on both sides.
yeah, like even he was the way Chris was just saying it now that everyone thinks you're the villain, but it's just a point of view, isn't it? It's just perspective.
There's
like,
good and bad in everybody, I guess.
Exactly. And maybe we're going to see a little bit of good in Chris, we don't know, in his own way. Like, how do I describe it? You know, when people want something good, but they go
the wrong channels,
the wrong way to get to the good thing that they want.
Yeah.
You know, so maybe we'll see a bit of that with Chris. But what I love the most so far is the whole confusion with like the philosophy of giving mercy, showing mercy, and how it can backfire on you and cause you damage. Like showing mercy is the good, right thing to do, you know. But at the same time, showing mercy can get you like Miguel, like because if he had done what he would normally do without Johnny telling him to show mercy, he would have broken Robbie's arm. Maybe he got suspended or expelled or something, but he wouldn't have a broken back, still be able to walk, you know.
Yeah.
You know. But and then Johnny's like, oh, I don't know. I thought this was the right thing to show mercy. Even he doesn't know, and I love that he's gonna try and learn. He's gonna try and like he has to figure it out himself, and Miguel's gonna figure it out himself. And I want to see what the balance is gonna be. Like, how do you balance this? I want to see how they answer that question of where's the balance between showing mercy and not showing mercy. You know?
Because at the moment they're just saying, if you show mercy, you're going to get in trouble. Like,
yeah. They can't just leave it like that. They have to show that showing mercy is a good thing. But at the same time, look where like they've blatantly shown that showing mercy is not always good.
Mm.
You know, so I want to know where they're going to take that and how they're going to answer that question. You know.
Interesting.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking forward to the most, and you know, and how they're gonna prove Kreese wrong. Because Kreese right now is looking like he's being proven right, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like his whole no mercy thing. But yeah, that was a really good episode. Really good episode.
I liked that. I'll give it like 4.5 out of 10.
4.5 out of 10. Next one hopefully will be 5. Or 4 3/4 at least. Alright, that was season 3, episode 2 of Cobra Kai. We'll see you in the next one. Please like, subscribe, hit notification bell for notifications, and I'll see you again. Peace.